Just hope I don't burn. Woo! Hi my lovies, it's your girl Seta with another lit vid. If you are a new subscriber, hi, welcome my love. I hope you enjoyed here and you are here to stay. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so let's just get into it. Today I'm going to school and also I have unboxing to do, so let's just fix my hair with me. Yo, my hair is done. I've had this installation for about 2 weeks now, so yeah, you're gonna fix my hair with me. I feel like the camera is too far. I don't know. Yes, okay, now I think the camera is okay. And today we are having water because I'm going to school. I'm going to the library to study. I have exams coming. Okay, let's fix my hair. Guys, I've been receiving comments on my YouTube channel. There's this girl who sent me, who replied actually to my video. She replied and was like, wait, let me read the comment. Okay, now I think the camera is okay. Let's get into it. Let's start fixing my hair. Okay guys, I received a comment from one of my videos. Let me check it. And the person was like, let me connect to the Wi-Fi. The person was like, I should post more frequently on YouTube, even if I have nothing to show, so that people can familiarize themselves with my content. Wait, let me look for the comment. I'm still trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, besties, I found the comment. She was like, new subscriber here. Wish you were uploading more regularly, even when there's nothing to show. That way we get to know who you are and we build relationships here and community through everyday lives. Yeah, that's true. Guys, I'm gonna try and be consistent. It's just that I'm juggling school and also YouTube. So now it shouldn't take. It's got some song on YouTube, guys. My course is very demanding, so my course is very, very, very demanding. But I'll try to post more frequently. Yo, guys, a lot has been going on here. I haven't been doing any vlogs. I hope this thing don't burn me. I haven't been doing vlogs or anything for like, it's been a month now. I didn't even do a vlogmas or whatnot. But yeah, I'm back. Happy New Year, guys. But it's fine. It's still New Year, guys. It's the 3rd. I didn't even say that date. Not even used to vlogging anymore, Sana. But Happy New Year, besties. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. I'm gonna try to make it short as possible. Kutiwa, you can't join my table if your pap is not popping. TikTok, I don't even know. But yeah, you can't join my table, babes. You can't join my table if your pap is not popping. Guys, I'm wasting your time. Let me just finish this. And then I'll just get ready. I'll dress up. And then I'll show you guys. And then I'll unbox. Yeah. Let me just finish. I am almost done, besties. Just hope I don't burn. Woo! This thing will burn me. Okay, besties, I'm done. I'm done fixing my hair. That took me less than 5 minutes. One thing I like about it, Bob. There's something I've noticed when I'm taking a video, when I'm recording with my front camera, the quality is not that good. But then when I record with my back camera, it's very good, even when I upload it. But then the problem is, one thing about me, guys, I always don't have space. So now, ngizothi ngiyayiphendula ifoni ngithatha nge-back camera, and then ngiyakhuluma mangiqeda mangithi ngiyabheka, it wasn't recording because of insufficient storage. But yeah, we're not there. Guys, I've been unboxing. Let's get into it. Guys, prepare to be sick of me now. Prepare to be sick of me because I'm gonna deliver content, I swear. This is the unboxing. This is the package I received this week. Ta-da! My camera is not focusing. Is that light too much? Okay. It's a camera. Guys, prepare to be sick of me. Let's unbox together. I didn't unbox this because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. See how much I love y'all. See how much. Okay. I'll read this later. Okay, guys, you can't see. Okay, no more. I don't know what it's done. Here it is. Listen, prepare to be sick of me. Here it is. Prepare to be sick of me. I hope my camera is focusing. Okay, it came with this band. I don't know what it's for, but we'll figure it out together, guys. Okay, I think this is a charger. And then, well, it came with a lot of things. I don't know what is this. But this is everything that it came with, guys. I know it's too much. Yeah, this is everything it came with, guys. I'll see it later. I have to rush to class. But this is the last time I'm recording with my phone, guys. From now onwards, I'll be using my camera. Yeah, I don't even know the name of it. Okay, but it's from Sony. Okay, the description here in the slip, it's like Sony ZV E10 mirrorless camera with 16 to 50 mm lens, black. Yeah, that's it. Here it is. I don't know if you guys want the price. If you're interested in the price, I don't know where the shop. I don't know how to pronounce this. Here's the name. If you're interested, and the price, it's like $1,300. It's not that expensive. Okay, guys, let me get ready. Let me dress up, and then I'll show you my outfits of the day, and then we can go to the library. Let's get into it. Okay, besties, I'm done getting ready. Let's do a drip check. Okay, this is it. This is what I'm wearing: a jean, sneakers, Air Force One, and this jacket from Kimmy's Fashion Boutique, which is my boutique, and this top and this jean. This is it. Okay, and I'm carrying my school bag. Why is it so light? Okay, I haven't put my laptop, my PC. Okay, lovies, let's go. Storage. Here's my bag. Here's my OTD. Let's go. Okay, I have to pass by at the market here outside my place. I need to get some few snacks, but I'm not gonna show it. Few snacks and then head to the library. We'll see each other when I'm at the library. Let's go. Hi besties, I'm leaving the library now. It's 6 p.m. I came at 12:30. So tired. I'm so over school. Woo! Panting Isana. Okay, let's go. Hi besties. I'm at the shop. I wanna get a few things. Yeah, because I'm craving breakfast. But I can't find bacon. It's the fact that I'm craving breakfast and it's almost 7 p.m. But yeah, and I can't find bacon. Hi besties. I'm back from the library and I passed by at the market because I needed to get some food things. I needed to make food. I'm so tired, if my eyes can tell. I'm so tired. But now I just finished making food. Let me show you what I made. Don't judge me that I'm eating breakfast at this time. But yeah, this is what I made. Eggs, bacon, avocado, and what is this? Vienna's. This is my girl dinner. Yeah, I'm about to eat now. Yeah, I think that's the end of the vlog. Now I'm just gonna eat, take a shower, rest for like an hour, and then carry on with studying. Thank you so much, besties, for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Really appreciate y'all. Thank you. Bye. Till we meet again next time. I promise I'll try to be consistent. Bye.